How much are you gonna pay me anything?
It smells really bad.
I'm not gonna reward
What does?
this.
Dan's gonna eat a whole can of cat food for 10 from 10 for you, 10 for me.
What kind of cat
Oh,
food? Let me read the label.
So Dan, it tastes good?
Friskies salmon dinner. Mmm.
Yummy.
See what's inside it.
You gotta stay down.
I don't even know. Meat byproducts is the first ingredient.
Like
He has a barf bowl next to him.
intestines and ears and chicken beaks and.
Dude, I can smell that stuff from here.
I know.
And I'm like way
Are
over
there
here.
carrots in my barf bowl? Have them removed, please.
His Highness is not happy about this.
Dude.
I should be doing this in my Highness bowl.
Where is your Highness bowl? Where? No, you should wear that on your head like a crown.
Or what?
Your Highness crown.
Just
Not
eat
big
the
enough
cat
for my
food.
Oh my god.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, oh. He's eating,
Does it taste like salmon?
he's eating cat food.
It does? Dude, that's nasty.
Oh,
It's hella good.
oh, oh.
Alright, our cats are gonna starve now. He's gonna get oh, does somebody have whitefish and tuna? Or who's got... Oh, dude, he almost hurled right there. He's like, who's got the kitty stew? Because I'm hungry. Diego, move it. Oh my goodness, our cats are gonna be like skin and bones. Look at him hurl it. Woo.
Oh, it's nasty.
Does it taste any resemblance of fish in there? Oh wait, dude, get him a glass of water.
Why?
Because he needs to wash it down.
Not use the whole thing.
No, he could drink water.
Yeah, hook me up. What is this?
That's
It's like an eyeball. God.
dude, there's chicken beaks and eyeballs in there.
Oh.
That's nasty. I've never seen anybody eat cat. Oh my. Oh my goodness. That's nasty. Give him some water, quick.
Oh my god.
This is so worth it. He's going at it.
This can't be good for you.
Oh.
And the cats like this stuff.
Oh. God.
Did your stomach hurt? No?
It tastes.
Oh, God. I'm sick just watching
I
it.
know, dude, me too. I'm there with ya.
Oh my God.
How much do you have left?
Not that much. It's just fish parts, dude. Some of those parts I'd
There's
rather
probably
not.
some vomit in there.
Well. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh. Oh my god.
He must need money really bad.
He's poor, man.
Well, gas is expensive. Gas has gone up a lot. A man will do a lot for a tank of gas. Dude, if you're gonna hurl, get that bowl closer.
Swear, there's eyeballs in here.
Ugh.
Like every other bite, there's something hard that almost.
Wait, where's the can? Oh. Look at the concentration.
Oh, that's like a that's a high molarity, man. That's a high molarity of gross eyeballs and cat food and stuff. How much more?
That's the same sound he made when he ripped his arm open.
Oh my goodness.
He did it?
Yes.
Oh my god, that is.
We're having second thoughts. The proud mom.
Your son did that.
Proud friend. And the poor friend now. Oh, dude! If it comes up, it's
You
gotta
gotta
go.
eat it.
It's gotta go down again.
It's in your best interest not to hurl. It's like twice the work for half the pay.
Piece of bread. We'll get the taste.
That was 100% worth it. Oh my god.
Wow.
That was 100% worth it.
He's getting the money out.